Shallow fried fish hilsha. Shallow fried hilsha fish. Curd 1 tablespoon. Salt according to taste. And little bit of black cumin seed. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder. Kashundi or mustard seed paste. 3 to 4 tablespoons. After mustard seed paste, add green and red chili. Mix it. Now, add it in a heating pan. Add some mustard oil in it. And cover it with a lid and cook it in low flame. Cook it 10 to 15 minutes. Good aroma come out through the curry. Let's see what happened. Open the lid. Mm. Let's flip the fish. Slowly so that fish do not break. Now your curry is ready to eat with hot rice. Put it in a bowl. Now put it in a pan. Now add little bit of raw mustard oil in it. Thank you.